Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I wanted to come on here real quick and share with you some Happy Mail that I received. So yesterday I received a box, totally unexpected, from one of YouTube's awesome creators, and her name is Roseanne, and she's here on YouTube. She's Roseanne's Happy Crafty Creations. If you haven't watched her channel, or if you're not subscribed, I would suggest you do so. She makes awesome albums and other creations with her dies, and just awesome, sweet individual. She really likes Anna Griffin, so she will share with you the wonderful creations she makes with her Anna Griffin dies and paper. She likes other things too, but I know Anna Griffin is one of her favorites. So like I said, I received a box yesterday, and had a long day yesterday. Had a whole list of things that I wanted to do. Some of it crafting, some of it, around the house. And so when the mailman came and left the box on my porch, I was just like, oh, what did I get that I don't remember that I ordered, or what did my husband get? And, so saw that my name was on it. It's a cute little box, had a couple of Halloween decorations on it. I just tear into a box. I don't wait to do the unboxing usually. So anyway, let me share with you the wonderful items that she gifted me with. So first up was this adorable card. Love all the layering, the tag, the bow, the little witch girl, and the paper. Everything about this card is super sweet. And what's really sweet about the card too is that she says, enjoy your goodies, happy Halloween, boo, I got you, hugs, Roseanne. So that was, like I said, an awesome surprise. We'll be going into work tomorrow, I believe, and so I'm gonna put this on my desk at work because I don't have very many Halloween decorations at work, so this will be perfect addition. So then she sent me this cute little coffin. Now I usually don't craft with coffins, but this one is cute. She has this cute little trim around it with the skulls, and then the little bow, and then inside she had a treat. She says happy Halloween, and then a Reese's bat. Yeah, you only see one in here because, yeah, I ate one yesterday. So I'll save that one for a later time. But this is adorable. Just a good little treat holder. And then, I don't know what to show you next, but I'll show you this packet of awesomeness here. Look how adorable this is. She created this gift. I don't know what you call it. I can't think right now what it's called, but she used some cute ephemera and just packed it with some goodies. She gives a little pen that says trick or treat, and then the little ghost, you click it. Let's see, I think you click the ghost. Yeah, to make the pen. So I'll be using that. I'm gonna leave that at home. I don't know, I don't trust that cuteness stain on my desk too long. And then this is a little, I'm thinking this is a honey dipper for your tea. And then there's a little Biscoff, is that how you say it? Little treat there. Cinnamon stick, black tea. I love tea in the winter. I don't drink tea, hot tea, anytime other than the winter. So I'll be saving these. Here's cinnamon stick. Oh, I bet that's really good too. I'll definitely be trying that. Also, she has some abuleta, I think that's how you say it, a Mexican style instant hot chocolate mix. So I'm gonna try this too. I've never had this. It's by Nestle. So I'll be trying these warm concoctions in the next month or so. I always drink hot beverages in the winter. Not a lot, but because you talk a lot and your throat gets all icky, and it tastes so good and feels good when you drink it. And these cute little embellishments, aren't these adorable? And this flower is too. Everything about this is adorable. Look at the bag topper she created, and then the little candy cane not candy cane, candy corn on the little bow. That's adorable. How many of you like candy corn? I've never liked it, the taste of it, even as a kid. That was not my jam, but I love looking at it. It's so pretty. And then this cute little box. Oh man, this is adorable. Little notebook. Isn't that nice? The little witch girl again, and spooktacular, and the bow. This is so pretty. Love it. Love it. And then I think that's it. But well, no, it's, I got two. I don't know if these are suckers. I think they must be suckers. I'll have to ask Roseanne, are these suckers, or, because they're kind of orange. I don't think they're honey. It must be suckers. But how cute are these? Everything is simply adorable, and I love how it all fit in the little container. She had shred in the box, so it was awesome opening it up with the orange and black shred. And this goes in here like that. I don't wanna, maybe I'll have to do this later. See if I can get it. All right. And then the cinnamon, and then the one was cinnamon and one is, what was the other flavor? Cinnamon and, oh, both cinnamon, cool. And then the Mexican style tea, and then the little biscuit. I think they call it biscuit in England, but it's like a cookie. All right, so you think, wow, that's nice of her. Isn't that nice? All these different things. And then she sent me this little, I think this may have been on the bag. I'm not sure, but it was loose in the box. But isn't that cute? This little layered with the clip on the black clip for Halloween. How cute is that? I'll just clip that right here on my desk table here. And then that wasn't enough. She made me a little notebook. How cute. It's so cute. It says Halloween. We got the flower and the little girl and the layers. She's just so good at layering. Man, I suck at that. And then look at this. I am definitely gonna have to take some pictures this Halloween to fill up this little album. Look at this, the work she put in. Look at that. And then she has the little tags. Let's see what it is. She puts a spider web back there. Look at that detail. I hope I'm in camera. I haven't been doing very well with my phone positioning lately. And then here is this side, and it's isn't that cute? Just adorable. And it says, "Hey there, pumpkin." You can slide this out. Isn't that cute? Little journaling area. Journaling. It says it's, and I think this one came out too. This Hocus Pocus. Just one thing about these type of things, you have to kind of go slow because you don't know, you don't want to miss anything. And then this was a magnetic, and it's the waterfall. You can put little pictures. This is so cute. I'm pretty sure I just don't have the patience to do this. I just would get frustrated if it didn't look perfect like this. Look how cute. The skeletons, and then the spider paper. And look at this one. Isn't those colors gorgeous? She has some ribbon. And then this is another, I guess I call it a belly band maybe. Open it up, and there's a journaling. I don't know why that sounds funny when it says it. Journaling. This is like a Memdex, like a single, I'm not sure, but it's so cute. And then you flip it over. There's another spot here. It says double troll in trouble. Hearts burn in cauldron bubble. No, hearts fire burn. No, not heart. I don't know where I'm getting heart. Double, double troll in trouble. Fire burn in cauldron bubble. Jeez. So I need my glasses. Cute, cute. And then look at this page. This is adorable. Look at that trick. I love that. I love this page. Totally. Just cuteness. And then, of course, we got another cute page with the boo. Oh, just so much detail. And then another boo page. So cute. So cute. And then at the back, this really pretty trim or ribbon. It looks really nice here. It's almost like it glows, but it doesn't. So, thank you so much, Roseanne. I can't thank you enough for making my afternoon yesterday, because I received this and I was just like totally blown away and over the moon happy with your wonderful creations here. I don't know if I can get them all in the picture here, the frame. But once again, I know this video is kind of long, but I wanted you to see just the detail that she puts into her work, which really, really is appreciated. So thanks again, and check her out, Roseanne's Happy Crafty Creations here on YouTube. Talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.